Hey gang, today I got a project that I'm going to be doing on the inside of the engine bay. I'm going to try to run LED light strips under the valve covers to give myself a nice hue of light over top the engine, So that's the project today, so hang tight, let's go. Okay, so here's the concept. I plan to be running LED light strips underneath these covers. That way it'll give a nice hue over the engine. And that's the project today. So I'll need to remove the valve covers to get that going. So the first thing I'll do is take this oil cap off and pop the covers off. There we go. Just that easy. Alright, so here's what we're going to be using. We're going to be using LED strip kit from Diode Dynamics. And I'm also going to be installing the Bluetooth controller. That way I can just control the colors from my cell phone. So let's see what we get in the kit. Okay. Looks like it's our power supply. Some wire ties. This is going to be a automatic switch. So when I open and close the hood, it'll engage the lights and turn them off. So that'll be cool. And some more cables we're going to need. And here are the light strips. Alright, so this will give you an idea of the concept here. Where I'm going to mount these. I'll mount them right in here. Same with this one. Mount them inside here. So before I do that, I need to clean this with some isopropyl alcohol and get that surface prepared. Okay, so now I want to make sure that the connectors here are towards the back of the engine before I start that. So I'll have it this side. This will be towards the back of the engine before I start adhering. Sticking them to the covers here. Alright, let's see here. There's good. That's it. That's what we'll do. That's better. Okay. Now we're good. Yeah, so what you're going to want to do is this power lead, you're going to want to make sure you just lift this whole housing up and then put it underneath, because this cap will not close over top of that wire. Okay? Okay, here's the next situation here. The toggle switch. This toggle switch will allow me the lights to turn on and off once the hood is raised and lowered. So I need to find a place to mount this. The best spot for me will be right here. There's a hole already there. I'm just going to have to enlarge that. That'll slide down in there. And it has to be on a metal surface, so that's the thing. The other places I don't see anywhere that I could get to easily to be able to get underneath to screw the washer and the nut on there. So I think that's probably the best bet there. I'll try it there and see what happens. So it appears to be that the 5/16 drill bit will be my best bet. Okay, I ran into a dilemma here. The hole's drilled, but there's a piece of plastic. Let's see if I can get you. There's a piece of plastic back here, under here. So I'm gonna have to drill through that too, so that way I can connect my wire underneath. Very good. Alright, so yeah, basically I gotta take this piece, slide it in here. That'll give me my height for the toggle. Lock washer, then the washer, then nut. Alright, so before I tighten this, I want to make sure my hood shuts. Good. Perfect. Okay, the next step is to connect this piece to the switch we just installed. Now we can plug our Bluetooth adapter, these two pieces together. Wrong way. There we go, until it clicks and snaps. Okay, so these two pieces are attached. That's our Bluetooth device. These are our power connectors. Okay, so now I'm going to install the valve covers, the LED strips on them. I'm doing that next. I have to use a longer cable to reach from this back side here. So I'm going to go ahead and connect that there. And I'll come around and reach. Should have enough length here. To reach. Good. The next step is to plug our power supply into the adapter here. Alright guys, here we are. So you know you got power when the LED is lit on the Bluetooth module here. So all I have to do now is just tuck the wires away. But you can see on the engine compartment that the lights are glowing here. And of course with the application, you can change your colors any way you want. Anyhow, any color, and you can also save your favorites. Very cool. There's a bunch of other things you can do with this app as well, but you're gonna have to figure that out for yourselves. But I'm gonna give you a look, see with the lights off. They turned out really cool, really nice. But so when it's even darker out, you'll be able to really see the more detail in it. But yeah, that turned out really good. I'm loving it. That's a cool effect. So there you go, guys. I'll just tuck up all these wires and the job will be done. Hope this helped you with the install with the Diode Dynamics LED light strips. Cool idea. I didn't want to light up the whole engine compartment, but under the valve covers, that seems like a nice touch. I just want to demonstrate the switch here. Let me back up a bit. So once the hood shuts, this switch here shuts the lights off. When you raise your hood, lights come back on. Pretty awesome. Okay, so I just wanted to show you the finishing wiring job here. So I'll give you a close-up view here. Here's the switch right here. Wire running to the Bluetooth module, and then I got everything tucked up underneath. Everything's tucked up underneath this and wire tied to this power cable. Everything's tucked under nice and smooth. And then I got the cables running back to the LED strips. Everything's tucked up nice and tight. So yeah, I'm really happy with this setup. So let me know what you think. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time, next video. Remember, stay revved up.